Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Janvi Jain, and I'm here to make you all smile and entertain. My title today's video is going to be anti-tarnish jewelry haul by Kishara and just a disclaimer बता दूँ ये brand मेरा ही है but ये waterproof jewelry है so I was like कि why not and you guys really loved the previous haul so और वो सारे links ख़त्म हो गए थे and you know products ख़त्म हो गए थे so I thought then why not make a part 2 of the same so I think without any further ado let's get started with today's video. So like we have bunch of new items and I was like कि मैं सबसे पहले आप लोग को दिखा देती because आप भी मेरे परिवार हो. So we'll go with the first one which is my favorite is the kadas. So in the new collection we have this two design of kadas which looks really very pretty. Just look at this. Like it's good for stack and like तुम everyday wear पे भी पहन सकते हो and looks really very good and rich. So this is actually very nice. I just love this evil eye thing. It's like a you know sugarcane is like this one. This is how it looks like. I really love it. We also have something in silver which is this one. I love this. Like तुम ये डेली वेयर पे पहन सकते हो and of course you can wear it you know like तुमको बाहर जाना है तो तुम वॉच के साथ भी पहन सकते हो. This looks really very good and stylish. I like it. So these are the three bracelets which are new from the collection but I really love some things from the previous ones. So my personal favorite is this Ada bracelet. This looks so cute because he is squarish hai. This is not that anyone gonna have. So I really love how this looks like and it fits so perfect. I really love it. Love this chunky bracelet because you know like if you want to like stack it and you want to look really very good and goldish. I really love how this looks like. So Cartiers are like everyone's favorite. So this is my favorite also, of course. And similar to Pandora, but not actually Pandora. But this is the charm bracelet, which I really love. This is like the prettiest bracelet ever. Looks really very good and silverish, so I like it. Yeah. Something which you know you can wear it like outside, and is this green emerald one, which looks really very pretty and it's so good. I like it. This is adjustable, so pretty. I love charm bracelets and layered ones, so this is like a good, nice one which I really like. This is my most favorite one. Look at this. This is a sun and it looks so pretty. I really love how this looks like. Just like bombshell. I love this one. Can you actually see that? I just love this sun effect and the brownish. It's giving like a beachy boho vibe, which I personally really love this one. This is very pretty. This is my favorite one. Of course, we have the evil eye, you know, everyone's favorite evil eye. Look at this. Very cute. I really love how these, you know, charm bracelet looks because it looks actually very good. I love how the knot looks so cute and so pretty, yet stylish. Yes, look at this one. It's actually good. This one is like everyone's favorite bracelet and I really love this because how it looks is so pretty. I love this. Like, just look at this. Wow. This is golden in color and I really love how it looks like. It's very pretty. This is for daily wear. I really like it. Let's move on to earrings. So these are the two stainless steel earrings which are like kind of new in stock. And I really love both of these because this looks good. You know, daily wear, तुमको पहनना है, college में पहनना है, and even office wear. This is like a very decent yet good quality. So I really love this. Is like stainless steel material. You can see. I like this one. It's looking so cute. Like तुमको बाहर जाना है, date पे जाना है, club में जाना है. This chunky hoops, like this chunky earrings looks really very pretty in like every outfit. Wow. I really love this one. It's very cute and very pretty. We have similar kind of in silver also. It's also stainless steel which looks actually really pretty. It's like a silver hoop which is gonna like good for daily wear. So I really like this one. Of course, from the old collection, I have a lot of things which I really love. Is the first one is this one. This looks the chunkiest and yet so good one. I really love this one. And even these is like a basic bold hoops and which I really love it. If you want to gift it with the green bracelet, you have like a earring which is matching to it. It looks really very pretty and so good. I really love it. I'm gonna go with the green earrings. That's also cute and nice. It's very pretty. I like it. I just really love this cute heart studs. बहुत सुंदर लगता है and good for daily wear, offices and you know college also. This looks really very pretty and cute. तुमको कुछ dress पहनना है date के लिए and just like a wears this chunky kind of studs. This looks actually very good. So I love this. This is like stainless steel material. Something in like a huge heart also. Just look at this. Very pretty. It's chunky. It's good. It's good for daily wear. I really like it. It's good for like clubs and cafes. I think finally let's move on to the necklaces, which is that's my favorite part of the jewelry, of course. I have one silver necklace which is like so pretty. I really love this one because it has bows in it. Like, can you imagine? Like, you just look how pretty the bow is. Just like look how pretty the bow is. It's like so cute. Oh my god. Like, oh my god, this is so pretty, so cute necklace, and this is like you can wear it daily also. So that's just really very good. I really love this personally. This is like very cute and very, I just love the details, the curves and everything is like so pretty here. I really like it. This looks so cute because ये fish का end का part लगता है, and this is like a, I guess Pisces लोग बहुत पसंद करेंगे इसको. I don't know, it looks really really pretty and cute, so why not? If you want to gift your girlfriend, or like if you want to gift anybody which is very pretty and elegant, I really love to get this kind of gift. Like, this is very cute, very pretty. It's very tiny but it's delicate, so it gives like a very good and pretty vibe. This has like a pink stone, and this looks actually very dainty and nice. Oh my god, just look at this, how it looks. I just love this. Really very good, just very pretty, cute. You can also go for like this two-way necklace, a kind of white stone, and even here it looks really very pretty. Actually, we have a lot of bow necklaces right now because it's in trend, and this is actually very cute. So this is the next bow necklace. This is like so pretty. It's good for dates, good for girls day out. Wow, just love it. Like, तुम ये तीनों girls, like तुम्हारे जो भी जितने भी girls हैं, and you wear like same kind of necklaces, तुम सब bow पहन सकते हो girls day out पे. Even like if you want to wear like a date, this looks really very good. I really like it. Very good. Recently we are in love with all the bow necklaces, so this is the next bow necklace. This looks actually very good, and उसमें difference ये है कि इसमें पूरी तरह से stones है, उसके ऊपर सिर्फ ऊपर है. So I just love both of them actually. This is like the third, I think fourth bow necklace. Just look how pretty and everything is looking like. It's just so cute. Just look at this. This is the tiniest bow necklace, and this is actually very pretty. इसको tiny bow पसंद है. This is so cute. I like it. This is for them who want to gift your girls like a very tiny necklace which has a stone, single stone. So ये बहुत pretty है आप लोग के लिए. This is the square diamond necklace, which is like a very cute and very pretty. Because इसके ऊपर diamond है, and this looks actually good for look at this shine. This looks actually really very good. This is very pretty. It's good for like gifting also. Plus it like you can wear it every day, so that's cute. Just look at this. If you are into silver necklaces, then this is also very pretty and really cute. The prettiest heart necklace ever exists is this one. Just look at this. This is like, wow. This is actually really very good. I love this. This is very cute. I can wear this daily. And अगर ऐसे cute jewelry अगर तुम daily पहन सकते हो, and तुम इसको gift भी कर सकते हो because वो daily खराब भी नहीं होगा. This is actually really very good. I really like it. Very cute, very pretty piece. So one thing which everyone wanted is to give their girlfriends this one. This necklace is like the famous necklace ever. This is like a envelope necklace, and this is actually very pretty. Okay, तो उसको पहन सकते हो, and this envelope actually opens up. Can you see? And इसके अंदर लिखा हुआ है एक चीज़. Just look at this. Just look at written I love you. This is so cute. Like अगर तुमको ये girlfriend दे दे, boyfriend sorry, अगर तुमको ये boyfriend दे दे, this is like the best thing ever. Like just इसके अंदर है ये. So pretty. I love this one. It's very cute and good idea actually. Gift purpose के लिए बहुत सुंदर idea है ये. So again we have a bow necklace. I think इसमें बहुत सारे bow necklaces हैं, so you have a lot of option in bows by the way. So this is how the bow necklace looks like. My god, wow, very pretty and very elegant. I really love this. This is actually really very pretty. I love how elegant this looks like. This is like very feminine, whatever the word. This is actually really very good. I really like it. Oh, we have this cute evil eye necklace also. Okay, so we also have on demand, we have initial necklaces. This is like a K necklace. This is and A necklace. Okay, wait, this is an A necklace. Okay, as you can see, this is a J, this is S necklace. We have an H necklace and we have a J necklace. So this is the initial necklaces which we have. So you can get it one. Everyone's favorite, the snake. Wow, I just love this. This is like a good for daily wear, and this looks actually really very good for daily wear, and ये actually बहुत trendy है. So I was like, why not? Just look how cute and really pretty and elegant this looks like. तो मैं एक पहन लो बस है. ये stone बड़ा famous हो रहा था. I was like, okay, let's get this one also. This I have this black one, and similar I have in white if I'm not wrong. Yes, I do have in white also. जो हमारे पास silver में है, we have similar in gold also. Of course, how can I forget rings? And we have a lot of rings available. So people who love to stack rings, you can also like go for like this one. Just love all the rings, and we have a lot of in silver also. This I really love all the junks. I really love all the rings, of course. Prettiest one from all is this heart one. Like, just look at this. Very cute and very pretty one. You can actually gift your girlfriend or like anyone you want. This is very pretty one. I also love is this square neck, this square one. This is like a Rachel ring. That's what we say. Just look how pretty this looks like. We have the heart ring also in one big stone. So if you want, you can give this a big stone one also. And also in this one. Just look how the stone is so big. This is very pretty one. I really love. Whatever you need, you can actually go and buy it from the link below. So yes guys, सारे product links तो मैं डाल नहीं सकती because there's a lot of items. I can share you one link which has all of the products. ये सारे anti tarnish है, सारे waterproof है, सारे good for everyday basis है. So मैं directly वो anti tarnish का collection का पूरा link डाल दूँगी description box में. आपको जो चाहिए जैसा चाहिए आप खरीद सकते हो. So of course I have a code for you guys, that is JJ10 and JJ20. जो 1000 रुपये के ऊपर होगा they can use JJ20, and जो 500 रुपये के ऊपर होगा they can use JJ10. So both of them I have a code. So yeah, use them and do let me know which one was your favorite one. So I think yeah, do follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, and yeah, until next time, bye.